And hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, Greg's Random Thoughts. And I really appreciate everybody who's been giving me the likes and the subscribes. I'm going to try to work to get at least 100 of them by the end of the year, so I need you guys' help out there. So it helps drive up the algorithm, as they say. And yeah, got another stack of hundreds here. And let me undo this thing here. So I'll take that strap off. Got an old bill to start out with here. So yeah, how's everybody been doing out there? I hope things are going well for everybody. Got a new stack here from a bank. Oh, there's 4 2s and 2 3s. But yeah, I've been doing pretty good. The last stack I got 2 stars out of it, and unfortunately, neither one of them were rare. And well, that's part of the gig. It's hard to find that rare one. I do have one that I've got saved in my safe, and that's gonna stay there until I find some more. I'll probably just add right on to it. So yeah, cool. Yeah, everything's been doing good for me, and like I said, more and more people are doing the subscribe thing, which I really appreciate. I think to get monetized, I think you need like 1,000 of them. As of right now, I'm at 85, and I'd like to get to 100. What do we got here? It's a unique stamp. And of course, I'd like to get monetized. I could make more money off YouTube than I can of interest of this in the bank, so that'd be kind of cool. So I need your help. I'll try to keep promoting our getting new stacks of bills till the banks, they might get sick of me and stop me from getting new bills. I don't know what I'll do then. A bunch of 6s again. That is, I don't know if there's something about that I notice them more, or if there's just a lot of them out there. I just see a lot. Every time, every stack, there's triple 6s out there of some sort. Anyway. Now here's another potential birthday note. 3/13/81 for some of our younger people out there. So cool. Come on, star notes. We need some star notes here. I think I mentioned before, usually when I'm out fishing, oh, look at all the 8s there. Wow. And when I'm out fishing on a nice sunny day and I'm not catching anything, I gotta start hollering at the fish to get on my hook. And for some reason it seems to work. Although the person I'm fishing with typically just laughs at me. But by the end of the day, they're not laughing when I catch more fish than they do, so. Yeah, I'm a warm weather fisherman guy, so can't wait till this winter deal is over with. So of course, I don't know, maybe down south, some of you people down south, you can fish all year long probably, huh? Down in the southern states, or go out in the ocean. Up north here, there's about 10 inches of ice up here, so you can go ice fishing, but I like fishing during the warm weather. That's my deal. Alright. Nothing major here. Come on, guys. Let's get us some nice star notes. Interesting numbers. So I think that I've been talking a little bit about that drone thing out east. Now they're saying there's a military base down in Texas. They saw some of those. I don't know what the heck to make out of that deal. Oh, there we go. There's a star note. 345 73 73. Cool. I'm going to check that one out and see if that's a rare one. Kind of a neat number. Let's go look for another one. What do you think the odds are getting 3 or 4 of these guys in a batch like this? That'd be kind of cool. Cool. Star Note City. See, I told you, you start calling for them, and then they show up. Cool. Yeah, that drone thing, it's kind of an interesting thing going on. I don't know if it's a distraction, what else is going on around the world, or what. Just some crazy times we live in. Then we had that ordeal with some cat driving through a crowd in Germany with his car. That is some... I don't know what to say about all that stuff. Wow, look at this one here. 769 885. I haven't really been watching the news too closely in the last couple weeks. I don't know. Guess I'm going to spend more time looking on, getting my face on the television, I guess. Alright. Alright, come on. See if we can't get us another star note here. Now, yesterday, or the last video I did, I had the last number, or the last letters of the serial number. I'd never seen an X before as a last letter. So that was kind of unusual. Someone asked if I get them in sequential order, $100 bills. I do get some. I had some a couple weeks ago on a video, but they weren't star note sequential. So that is something I'd like to find sometime. I'll bet you it happens one of these times. Oop. There's a W. Some of those latter letters in the alphabet. Yeah. Hey, here. It's typically an A of some sort. A, B, or something like that. Now this one's got an odd stamp on it. I've got some people that have said some things about what those are, but I don't know. Yeah, 4 deuces on that one. Someone said it was from different countries, so that's what I'm going with. Alright, we're getting down there. Ah, there we go. There's another one. Now this one does look a little bit higher numbered than some of the other ones. I like to see them where they got several zeros in the front. And I don't know if that makes any difference or not. It seems to, but yeah, cool. 4191. Let's see if this one can't be a good rare one, a rare find. Most of the star notes, they typically run, when they do a batch from a mistaken bills at the mint, they run about 3.2 million. And sometimes they do smaller runs of like 64,000. And those are typically the ones that are the scarce ones, or rare ones. So 64,000, 120,000, and then there's like 1.2 million, 3.2 million they do. But yeah, we're looking for some of those low numbers, and they are tough ones to get. The stack is really getting down there, so I think the odds of finding another one, it'd be cool, but I just don't know. Look at it, 4 twos. 11 4 twos and a 69. That's about the coolest number so far, other than the star note ones here. Cool. Couple pair there. And that's the last one. Cool. I appreciate everybody watching the video today. I don't think it's too long a one here, but I must be learning how to go through these a lot faster nowadays. I think this is probably about my 13th, 14th video I've done. And always a new stack from a different bank in sometimes different cities. And yeah, kind of neat. Spread the... I don't think I'll ever get the same star notes back, but that would be interesting. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. And like I mentioned, the old subscribe thing. And like and comment if you will. And I really appreciate it. See you next time.